Hey guys, let me show you how to use Pro Mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. The camera in this Galaxy Z Fold 6 is quite good itself, but if you want to make a pro photos and pro videos, you can simply enable it in the camera settings. Let me show you. Let's just open camera and swipe left to go in this More tab. And now we can see two options, Pro and Pro Video. First one is for photos, and the second one is for video, of course. They are quite the same, so let's choose this one for now. So, now we have several settings which we can manage. For example, we can add ISO just by swiping left like this, so the picture will be brighter, or you can swipe right to make the picture darker. You can also change the shutter speed just by dragging this slider as before, or set to the manual or auto. Just tap on this option. And we have here focus, so you can either choose center, multi or manual focuses. And the last thing is we can change the white balance. So just play around with this setting as you like to get the picture made like with the help of Pro Camera. And now let's choose Pro Video. For this, I'm just gonna swipe left as before and choose this option. So we have almost similar settings here, but with additional microphone and zoom. So just choose whatever you like and adjust the settings according to your preferences. And when you're done, just tap the button to start recording or to start making a photos. And also don't forget to save your photos in a RAW format. For this, I'm just gonna open settings and scroll till the advanced picture options and just switch Pro Mode picture format to RAW format. So, in this format, no color tone adjustments are applied. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.